Hello! If you're looking for an easy and delicious dessert, the Ladyfinger tiramisu recipe is just for you. Cream preparation. In a medium-sized saucepan, combine flour, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 4 tablespoons granulated sugar, 3 cups milk, 2 egg yolks. Mix well using a whisk until smooth. Cook over low heat, stirring constantly to prevent lumps from forming until the cream thickens. Once it reaches the desired consistency, remove from heat and let it cool. Adding the mascarpone cheese. Once the cream has cooled, add the mascarpone cheese and beat with a mixer for about 10 minutes until smooth and creamy. 1½ tablespoons instant coffee, 2 tablespoons granulated sugar, 1½ cups warm water. In a separate bowl, mix the instant coffee, granulated sugar, and warm water until the coffee and sugar dissolve completely. Soaking the biscuits. Quickly dip both sides of the Ladyfinger biscuits into the coffee mixture. Make sure not to soak them for too long so they don't become too soft. Place the soaked Ladyfinger biscuits in a single layer at the bottom of your dish. Pour half of the prepared cream over the biscuits and smooth it out with a spatula. Arrange another layer of coffee-soaked Ladyfinger biscuits over the cream. Pour the remaining cream over the biscuits and smooth the top. Place the tiramisu in the refrigerator and let it chill overnight. This step enhances the flavor of the tiramisu. Evenly over the top using a fine sieve. Slice and serve your tiramisu. Enjoy! In this recipe, the coffee mixture gives the Ladyfinger biscuits a soft and aromatic flavor, while the light cream adds a perfect balance to the dessert. As the tiramisu chills in the refrigerator, its flavor becomes even better. This tiramisu will pair perfectly with tea or coffee as a delightful treat. Enjoy!